Hey guys, so right now I'm heading down to the salvage yard. Gonna see if I can't find a bench seat for the Ranger. At some point I'm gonna be switching, probably putting some bucket seats in it, but for right now I just want to get a bench seat that I can put in there so I can drive it around some, and also to make it easier to move in and out of the shop without having to just sit on the floor to move it. So we're heading down and gonna see if they have anything we need. Alright, we are here. Let's go take a look. Well, once again, I dropped the ball and didn't record anything at the junkyard, but here's the seat that I ended up getting. It doesn't match, but it's in pretty decent condition, so it'll work for now. So that's what we're going to go with, and I'll have somewhere to sit in the truck finally. So this seat came out of a slightly older truck. My truck's a 94 and this came out of an 87, so the brackets don't quite match up right. So we're having to modify the brackets to make it mount in the truck right now. Headed with the family to the Basin Drive-In Car Show here in Mount Pleasant, Utah. It's one of the local car shows and it's a good one, so I'm going to take you and show you some of the cool stuff we have here locally.